Welcome to TFE Hotels, which sits upon Larrakia land, right here in the capital of the tropical north.
Hello, my name is James, and in this video I'll be spending 24 hours in the beautiful city of Darwin. In this video you'll see the hotel that I stay in, including my room, the meals that I ate, and the scenery of this beautiful city in the tropical north. Darwin has quite an interesting history. The city has been built at least twice, once due to at least 600 bombs that were dropped on the city during World War II, and also in the 1970s with Cyclone Tracy. On this trip, I am staying at the TFE Adena Vibe Hotel. Here is my room. It is spacious, the bathroom is clean and functional, and the TV provides a beautiful welcome message from the hotel staff.
Welcome to TFE Hotels, which sits upon Larrakia land, right here in the capital of the tropical north. We are privileged to work in this patch of paradise, and we'd like to acknowledge the traditional owners, the Larrakia people, and elders past, present, and emerging. We're also passionate about our community, and our team members would be happy to connect you with some of the fantastic Indigenous tour operators.
First off, it's off to Lee Point, where I hope to fly my drone and get some nice aerial shots of the coastline near Darwin. We leave the hotel, crossing on a sky bridge that leads into the CBD. Once I reach the CBD, there is good news: free Wi-Fi. Hey, so we're here at the Darwin bus station where we are looking for a bus to take us up to as close as we can get to Lee Point. Good news, it's free today. We head out of Darwin through Stewart Park and towards Casuarina. However, when I get there, it starts to rain. While I wait for the rain to stop, I grab a refreshment. Well, here we are at Casuarina, and I'm just waiting for my Uber to take me up to Lee Point. The bus will take too long and it's too much walking. So I looked at the price of Uber and it wasn't too bad, so I'm head up there now. One bottle of the active electrolytes and vitamins. After a short drive in the Uber, we arrive at Lee Point. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are at Lee Beach, where the Uber just dropped me off. Lee Point, sorry. And there's basically no one here, which is absolutely perfect. I've also been warned not to go in the water because of the box jellyfish between October and May, and that there could be crocodiles entering any of the water around here. Also figured out that instead of getting an Uber back to Casuarina, it might be even worse walking this 4.9 kilometre walking track down to Rapid Creek Picnic Area, and at Rapid Creek Picnic Area we'll probably either catch the public bus from there back to the city. The walk between Lee Point and Casuarina Beach features beautiful and spectacular vistas of the Beagle Gulf, which leads to the Timor Sea. That walking has made me hot and thirsty, so I go for refreshment. I go for a Florida Stanley, crushed watermelon and orange juice with muddled cucumber and ginger ale. It's delicious. We've just had a nice rest. We're now going down outside the hotel where I spied a couple of e-scooters. We've got one of these e-scooters right across the city to a little bit to the north, where the Mindil Beach Markets. These are well-renowned markets, and I am not leaving Darwin till I've done them. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at Mindil Beach Markets, but I think it might have been because of the storm, because there is nothing there. It's just a big area. You can see the floodlights, you can see all this stuff ready, but yeah, because it did say October, the last Thursday is October, is the last markets, and they're every Sunday night and Thursday night, and I'm here. But the sunset absolutely did not disappoint. We got a beautiful sunset out on the beach, absolutely incredible. Let's go and have a look. As the Mindil Beach Markets were closed and there was no hopes of getting any street food, I opted for room service with this delicious margarita pizza. Overall, Darwin is a great place to get away. I was disappointed that the Mindil Markets weren't on, and I highly recommend going back for this alone, but the sunset at Mindil Beach could not be topped. The sightseeing was great, the hotel was very comfortable, and the food was delicious. Overall, I highly recommend Darwin, and I can't wait to come back. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video I release, I'll be travelling business class from Perth to Sydney and reviewing the seat, the meal on board, the amenities, the in-flight entertainment, and you'll get great views out the window at the passing clouds. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.